won't find us week, and the Wahala won't cause for this village. You can't spoil. Not truth. With this smart, now they take the calculate. Get ahead, yeah. Perform that self. My name na Bomba. My name na BOMBASTIC. I like the name. Shoot this name suit. But pick my own like all these big men down there. You know that all these big men. I go fish like Bob. But your own be like Taylor's own. I just say the people that won't go meet. Say Papa and the people that they get problems in the day when they're born us. Maka why? Mama tell me say the man too rascal. Ain't forgive Papa, sister, Bella before Maria. Hey! That means if not so, this man no go allow us enter his house. No talk like that now. Whenever she place, we follow she place where you say we can enter here, she could cause big wahala. They enter. Yes. I just think one thing. What do you think? What do you just think? This house no carry bag, we no carry clothes. How we go do? Hey! Now Wahala we don't come cause for you. The way we take come, now so we go take go back. Abi? Yes, so now we need to the class. No, I don't find one thing. If my son wants to see, we're gonna wash our clothes for evening time. That will come here for morning. Yes, I do. I see. I'll get them. Look at the corner. Look.
Ndoka, if we had not handled this matter the way we did, it would have turned to a useless effort.
That is true. Very true. Ezekwe was bent on taking that oath. And if we had allowed him take the oath, it would have become a disaster.
We should thank God for wisdom.
Hi.
Good afternoon, elders.
Good afternoon, Kelly. Who are you? Because I know you're not from this village.
Okay, and I don't know who be here. Make I tell you my name. My name now Bomb. I'm a brother name now. Come on, well, I said you work. Hey, that's my land. My name now BOMBASTIC, the brother of Bomb.
Can you imagine the uselessness these two chimps are answering? This one is BOMBASTIC. The other one is Bomb.
Bomb.
I
wonder.
Say the wonder. No go wonder I wonder.
Can you imagine these little children?
Don't worry about me becoming a wanderer. The thing is that your sizes, you look so strange, and then you seem to be so bold. Who really is your father?
My father? I beg, just forget about my papa. Just forget about them. See, we could talk about the person what we don't look for this village. Yes.
Can you imagine these little children?
See, Aga, point of correction. Yes. We not be small picking though.
Little rat, shut up your mouth. Don't you have respect for elders?
I cannot think of which kind of elders. Which will be small elders. See. Small elders. No, I think you confirm. You confirm, Shabby. No, be elders. Elders, therefore, size by size, according to what you do commit. You could leave this useless elders, they're ready for you.
Can you imagine this midgets?
Who are they referred as useless elders? Maybe they are referring to you as a useless elder. Because you were here, they said it. It depends on what you commit.
Yeah, Ndoka. Who are these children?
Are you asking me, Aman? Do I know?
Honestly, we must know after this children.
And you are still here.
Hey!
Which kind of job is this one now?
Sorry for the weekend.
Come. Who are you? You two are not from this village.
Sorry, you know everybody for this village.
Yes, of course. I know everyone in this village, but we don't know both of you. Who are you people?
Sorry. We dey look for one man and a wife, yes. Yes.
Oh, wait. Who be these two urchins? Who are you both?
My name na Bobisco, Ross, over. And my name na Bomba.
Bogini. You saying it's noggin?
I say my name na Bomba, but my brother they call me Bob.
Mary, how can they bandit though? Let's run for our life. How can they bandit?
These village people, well. Sha? Who no go hear name for this life? Why no go run? Who no go hear your name? Who could go?
So, you use some of the money to pay for the debt we are owing. Then the rest, you buy some food stuff. But don't buy the ones we can get from our farm.
What are you saying? Why are you talking like this? What would this... Okay, would this one be able to pay our debt, let alone buying food stuff?
Just manage it. It's not easy to make money these days. And moreover, it's not all the foodstuffs you are buying. Just a little.
My husband, this is just 2,000 naira. What is 2,000 going to buy with the Nigerian money of today? This is not even up to any of our olden days. Okay, now you're saying I should use it to pay part of our debt. How much do you think we owe?
Just manage it. Use it like that. It's not easy to get money these days.
Jesus Christ. Thank God. We've been hearing of these people. Today, I have seen them. Dada, did you not see how small they are? Like this. Where are they from? Hey! No wonder they are doing wonders, oh. Thank God they did not bump us before we ran away. Mary, I need to go home and let my people know that those bomb people has entered this village.
Yes.
It's true. What kind of thing? So that they can protect themselves. Yes, so. In fact, I am going to church to give testimony in tonight's night video. I cannot. This is too much. Come, let's go. Let's go.
Have you seen what I'm trying to tell you? If we pay our debt, we'll be left with only 200 naira. And what will 200 naira be able to buy for us when we should buy the remaining food stuff we need, apart from the one from the farm?
This our money has no value again.
Oh, have you seen it now? Have you seen why I always complain when you give me this small amount of money and expect me to perform wonders with it? It has no value again.
Good afternoon, Salma. Salma, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon to you too. Who are you two, if I may ask?
Of course, you may ask. My name now, Bomb. I'm a brother.
Hold it there. What do you say your name is?
Bomb.
EJ, are you still here?
If your name is Bomb, and you, what are you called? AK-47?
No, Bobisco.
EJ, you're not afraid of these boys?
I got point of correction will not be boys, so now because we not get size.
Shut up.
And you too, where are you from?
Which of my Baba's sister?
How many women are here?
One.
Therefore?
Don't be angry. Who is your father and mother?
Ude.
Ude, the husband of...
Our mother.
Now listen, both of you. If you don't say who your mother is, I will throw both of you out of this place.
Uncle, try him. We not go fail.
So, who is your father?
Ude.
Your brother's sons.
My brother's sons, okay. Hey! They're my brother's sons, so...
Yes. No, what they try to tell me.
Welcome, oh, welcome.
That is the truth now. What is it? Come, what's the problem?
We saw some bombers.
You saw it?
Bombers? Yes.
They are coming this way.
This way.
Wait now, what if you say wait?
Let's go.
You hear bombers, they say wait.
So, how is your papa and mama?
We not sabi.
What do you mean by you know sabi?
You don't tell what come for that place. You tell when they fight war. No come for there. And maybe they can't kill our mama and our papa.
What?
That my brother is dead?
Then they escape. We take escape on that place. So. Never could have not carry our bag. We escape.
We even thank God that you people escaped.
And the people can't take over the land safe. The people take everything and burn all the food last.
Hey.
They burn everything. Take over the land.
Huh? So my brother take die?
Mama, you ask us.
Shut up, I am not asking you.
I'm going to take no what I did access. I need the access.
Will you shut up your mouth before I shut it for you?
Uncle, what make you like to treat us like this? Yes. You know so orphanage. Motherless, fatherless, baby. And they treat us like this. Why? And they call us heartbreaker. Why they do us?
Honestly, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you.
Look, and why will you be treating these helpless children like this? Do you think it's easy to lose both parents at this age?
Bam! See, Papa, why you leave us now? Mama, where do you? See, we don't talk to orphanage children. No, this one don't help us.
I said I am sorry.
But Uncle, this side they go some. If you can't start to take us. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, come inside first.
No, wait. Can't somebody make a mistake?
You have made a mistake. Now let me come inside first.
Now waiting up for the two. Yes. Now waiting up for the two. Man.
Come inside.
What is the meaning of this? Who is chasing both of you?
Bombers.
Bongene.
Bandit people.
Hey, my husband. Death has come to our area.
Where did you see them?
Papa, we saw them in the bush while we were packing our firewood.
They ran out from the bush. We barely escaped from them.
Hey, my husband. This is a very serious matter. But wait, how did you know that they are bombers?
They told us themselves. Yes.
You mean you spoke with them?
Yes,
Papa. Papa, they came to us. They were asking of us of one house like that. We didn't know. So we were now asking them, who are they? And then they told us their name.
Yes. One said his name is Bomba. Yes. And the other one, his name is Bobby.
Yes. Eh? Hey. Papa, let's go in.
This is serious.
Very serious matter.
This is serious. So what do we do now?
Please, let's run inside before they come here and catch us. Let's go inside.
Mama, let's go. Yes. Mama, know what I'm carrying. Let's just go. Let's go.
Yeah. I'm dead, oh! I'm dead.
What is it? Why are you whining like this? What is it?
My talk is finished.
What's the meaning of this?
talking like this? Help me remove it, Onasimo. Why you? Help me remove it.
Wait. It cannot be done here. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. I'm suspecting this voice. Sorry.
Come, what you people told me now is a serious matter. Alawa and Ndoga. How did they bring bomb into this community?
As soon as those girls ran to us, we took to our heels immediately, without even looking back.
Yes. So, both of you did not see the bombers?
Oh, Okure, you wished us to see the bombers. That's Okwagi.
If we're going,
That's Okwagi.
that is how much.
What an evil wish is that?
That's how much you hate us.
No, it's not like that. It's not that. But the thing is that both of you ran because of stories that you heard from two little girls.
Wait. It was even Adana, your own daughter.
Yeah.
Yes, that came to tell us about this bombers.
My own daughter.
Not just your daughter, Adana and
Naji's daughter.
Adana,
Two of them.
they were the ones that ran to us.
Yes.
Where are they now?
How?
My daughter and her friend now.
How do we know where they are? They ran their own way, then we ran our own way.
Eh?
Yes.
Where are you going to? Where are you going with that Etama? Come, walk him.
I'm going to look for my daughter.
I don't want to tell you you are sick. I don't want to say so. You want to go and look for your daughter with a blunt knife? Blunt knife. Here, we are talking about bombers who are deadly. The weapons, whatever they have, you can't tell. And you want to go and face them. You want to go and confront them with ordinary machete.
Ndoka, I did not say I am going to face those people. I said I am going to look for my daughter. And if those bombastic or whatever you call them dare touch my only daughter, I will deal with them. I will deal with them.
Go and sit down and drop this. Go and drop this blunt knife. Yeah, do you want to die? Eh? Do you want to die? Please, let us wait here until we are sure that Akabo village is safe. Eh? Get to see far.
But I'm still hungry.
What is the meaning of this?
Uncle, hungry.
What?
We never belleful.
Ijel! Come and see this, your brother's children. Come and see.
What is it? Where is the food?
That finish.
What?
We see the hungry.
You see the hungry? After 5 plates of eba, you see the hungry? No problem. Use this bowl, big bowl, and fetch water. Use it to fill the spaces in your stomach so that you can belly full.
Auntie, we not fit.
Yeah, shut up. See, if we were eating like this in this house, would you have met any food to eat? Eh? Come on, will you carry this thing and go inside and wash? Nonsense. EJ, who they said this boss?
Do I know? Naju.
But they are your brother's children.
Is it not the same day you saw them, I saw them? They came in and we saw them together.
But they are your brother's children.
That was what they said. Did I go with them? Do I know?
These children will eat our salary. What I know is that they will not make me to sleep still in this house because they want to eat.
Yeah, okay, what is your problem? Why are you walking like contrary spirit? You will kill yourself one day because of this your daughter. Is she a small girl? That your daughter is no more a child. She knows what to do and where there is danger. Okay, no why.
Alagwa, you don't know what you're saying. You don't know what it means for me to lose that my only daughter. Eh? What will I do if I lose that girl? Eh? How will I live in this world without that girl? Eh?
Now, listen to me. Listen to me. Since up till now, we have not had any noise in the village. Everywhere has been calm. We've not had any sound of bomb. It all means they must have gone beyond our village. That is it. Yes, if up till now we've not had any sound. Look at the man. A man that wants to go and confront bombers with machete.
Adam, I thought it was the bombers. Oh. Did they do anything to you?
Me? I did not even give them time to even talk with me. I ran as fast as my feet could carry me.
Hey. Now, tell me, how were the bombers?
Papa, if you see these boys, small boys like that, very small.
Huh? What did
very
you say?
Small things.
Small boys.
Yes.
Come. Ndoka. Are you sure it's not those two shrimps? Those two saucy boys that refuse to greet us?
Wait, oh. These ones, they had elder scarves on their head.
Hey! They are the ones. They are the ones. When they came, they refused to greet us. We accosted them that they don't have respect for elders. You know what these boys did? They put her inside their pockets and brought 2 elders' cap and put it on their head.
In our presence?
Yes, and they said they are small elders. And before we knew it, they ran away from us and said that we are useless elders.
Ha!
Hey!
Oh, who was there?
Hey!
Those are the boys, so. Hey! Those are the boys, so. Ha! They are not bombers.
Hey, they're not bombers.
Those little rats. They are not bombers.
Hey.
We didn't see them carry any bomb. We did not see any bomb. They didn't even carry bag. Not even one bag. They had nothing on them.
Hey.
Check.
Ha!
Hey.
You just see, I'm not comfortable with those boys at all. How can these boys eat 5 plates of a bar and still asking for more?
Honestly, I don't understand.
And they making noise.
Will you shut up your mouth? I will.
EJ, how come I request you come mother? I can't bring out my hand.
It's a lie.
What is it called? Hammer?
Mom, what's the meaning of this?
No.
My husband's hand? You cannot calm down. Huh?
No.
Come. William, why are you packing these bags out from the house?
Are you planning to remain in this village when there are bombers?
Who told you there are bombers?
Papa, I did. Papa, I saw them with my 2 eyes.
Did you hear that?
But you said they were empty-handed. They were not carrying any bag.
Yes, Papa.
Then how did you conclude that they are bombers?
Papa, one of them said that he is a bomber.
Can you hear that? I suggest we start running, before these boys start throwing their bombs.
Yes. Nobody will run anywhere. I am not running anywhere until I hear the sound of the bomb.
Papa?
Yes. In fact, I'm going to the village now to find out the truth concerning what you are saying.
Papa,
Hey!
please don't go. Mama, I
Nah,
don't want to be fatherless.
He cannot wait to be a widow.
Papa, please don't go. Mama, she please. Papa, oh your husband, no. Hey. You see, Papa?
Nah, Biko, come back, oh.
What a damn pascary. Bombastic boys. Down the bump everywhere. No call them small boys. On the way freeway. On your look out for Nanya. They carry extra power. Enter.
Bam, 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 bam. This is the last food you're going to be eating for today. You two have finished the food I cooked for the entire house. So once you're done with this food is over for the day.
Auntie Nona. This is an afternoon food. Damn, what we go eat for evening time? Yes, it's
Wait, you expect to eat something else after eating all this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Once you're done with this food is done for the day.
Bob! In that case, bam, 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 bam! Auntie, we know reverse your bam, 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 so we know agree. Yes.
We
know what time.
Follow me. Follow me.
Why are you asking me to follow you?
Shh. Bring your voice low. I don't know the type of people we have brought into our house. Are you sure they are human?
Why not if not? They are human. The children are normal. They're like children. Don't you know these children, they went through a lot. They went through trauma because of the death of their parents. Let us help them to adjust and heal.
What about the one that my hand hung up?
Are you sure it was those children that made your hand to hung like that? Huh? Are you trying to give a dog a bad name in order to kill it? Is that what you're doing?
Is that what you're saying? Huh?
Auntie, we don't hungry.
There is no food. Food has finished.
No wahala. Thank you, Makosa. Go.
EJ, please scratch my back.
Tuka, can you see how the wrong information those girls brought, how it almost destroyed the whole of today for us?
Honestly, I do not blame those girls at all. Because they are afraid and they are ignorant.
But are we going to continue like this?
Senators, good afternoon.
May thunder from your immediate kindred fire those your jaws into shreds. For talking that rubbish, who is your fellow elder? Look at this midget.
What make you go the first the shot for us to make thunder fire us?
Hey, you people deserve more than that. For being disrespectful to the elders of this village. Do you understand?
So as they look us up and down, so it's so we not picking. You say no, only the elder.
Ndoka, where are these boys from? And where in particular in this village are they staying? Where are you from?
Are you asking me?
I couldn't see.
I don't know who will be. Tell them. You tell them. Okay. Fellow elders, my name na Pompa. Ma say Pompa. But you call me Bombastic. My name na Bobisco. But you call me Bobby.
So, you are the one that have been causing stir in this community all this while. The first time we met you, both of you shrimps this morning, you insulted us, and now you are here. We are going to punish you accordingly. Just what?
Why are you not moving? Let's go.
Go now.
Are you not moving? Let us go.
Will both of you release me from this place now? Release me now, let me go and do what I want to do to you people.
Don't let me get angry with both of you. Little rats, don't let me get angry with you.
Inside this the one I thought, the place say the fear face. On the fear face.
Will you shut that your dirty maggot mouth? Eh? Who are you for us to be afraid of? Do you know where you are? This is a Cabo community. Nobody messes up here.
Inside this thing we wanna do, eh?
Thank you, Mo.
And I go tell your aunt to go come on here. Yes. Look where they go.
Wow.
Hey! Mwaka ya bukwaru. You want about what? Hey! Eka kwecha.
Hey! Look at me. Man.
What is this?
Look at.
Why are you showing me an empty pot of soup?
This is where I've been fetching soup for us to eat from since yesterday. Eh?
And what happened to it?
My husband, this is where I fetched soup I gave to Bomba and his brother to eat. And what was left in this pot, if we had wanted to still eat fufu, is enough to serve us today and tomorrow.
Cherekwa, wait. Are you now suspecting me?
No, I am not suspecting you. I'm just wondering what happened to the pot of soup I left. I only went to go and warm the soup to meet the pot. Soup finished, washed clean and left in the kitchen like that.
Have you asked those criminals, your brother's son?
I don't know where they went to. After they asked me for food, I told them there was no food.
So, where are they now?
Are you asking me? I will have to wait for them to come. I don't know where they went to.
Better. Ha! Okoro.
What is this?
My son.
Papa, now waiting.
I was humiliated today.
What? By who? Who had the audacity, the effort to humiliate my father? Who bomb monkey for this Akaba village?
2 little rats. Shrimps. Mistaken human beings. Very close to ensure they are breached. Very close to the ground. Insulted the living daylight out of Mazinduka and I today. On our way home. You need to see this insult to the extent of saying that we are useless elders. More belly fell.
Wait.
I endured it.
Papa, this thing you are telling me is sounding like a movie. It's not true. What are the names of this riffraff? I feel like dealing with them.
They say their name, this one is Bomba. The other one is Bobisco. Bomba and Bobisco.
Wait. I want to get something straight. Bomba what?
Bomba and Bobisco.
Hey!
I don't know where they got that name from.
Papa, it looks like these boys are terrorists.
Huh?
Yes!
What?
Yes, so because, wait, are they still in this village now?
What kind of question is that? If they are not in this village, then why am I saying what I'm saying? They are in these villages, in this same village that they insulted the living daylight out of me and the man Zentoka. In this same village, at Cabo village.
Hey, Papa, I'm feeling so pained. I am going to show those animals, those pentomic entity that you have a son.
That is my son. Exactly what I want.
Yes.
Imagine those shrimps, ants.
Papa, I will deal with them.
Do exactly that.
I will deal with them.
Shrimps! Deal with them! What nonsense is this?
Papa, I will show them that you have a good son.
That is it! I am your father!
Yes!
They are very small but mighty in action. They are on a mission. Bombastic boys. Bomba and Bobisco. Bombastic. Shoot them, you no go enter. Hapola, bomb pockety. Kill them, you no go walk. Hapola, bomb pockety. Bomba and Bobisco. Bombastic.
Massive Naji. Naji. What is the problem? In this village.
What Belebe has done in this village?
No, abomination is about to take place in this village. Two evils, real evils.
What has Ebenebe done in the village again?
Abomination is about to take place. 2 small men, small, little rats. Though they are small in size, but the things they do are of adult size.
Is it not the 2 evil bombers I told you about? You did not believe me. Now in the Unduka. I told my father, but my father did not believe me.
But did you see these boys with any bomb?
I did not see them carrying anything. But what they did to myself and Alagwa is far more than throwing bomb at us.
They have something more than just throwing bombs.
What did they do to you and Alagwa?
Those evil men, little men, pinned Alagwa and myself to a spot for a very long time. We were struggling till they went out of sight.
You mean they pinned you to a spot and you couldn't go out?
That is what I have just told you.
Hey!
That was what happened.
Amen.
Mama!
Amen.
All night. This is her house.
Come and hear what Mazenduka is saying.
Mama, remember those 2 bombers, those evil boys I told you about? Mazinduka just confirmed that he saw them. Yes.
Hey! This is a very serious matter. I will run away from this village for those men.
I will not run away for anybody from my village. As a matter of fact, I'm going home now. I will look for my cutlass, sharpen it, and I'll go out looking for those boys, wherever they are.
Here,
Mama.
bombers,
Mama.
in this village.
Hey!
Hey, all the quite serious.
Mama.
But Mazenduka said he didn't see them with any bomb.
But Papa, they did something worse than throwing bombs. Didn't you hear him?
Hey, all the quite different kind of people.
Uncle and Auntie, good afternoon. Uncle and Auntie, they salute. And what make una 2 face strong like this? Yes.
Yeah. Bomber and fighter. What happened to the pot of soup I left in this house?
You still get pot of soup. I want no be talk say soup don't finish. No be talk say soup don't finish.
Will you both shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth. And answer her question. Answer my wife's question immediately.
Am I not asking the 2 of you?
Wait, are you deaf and dumb? Can't you hear her? Remove your hand and talk and talk.
Bomba is about wetin dey talk. I no sabi o. Na wetin dey talk say soup don finish, so we come go outside.
Listen to me, both of you. If you don't tell me what happened to this pot of soup, none of you will eat food in this house for the next 1 week.
Auntie won't kill us. Auntie, ain't got done the whole so. You did that one. Well, I'm not gonna go inside.
Have you seen what came out from your lineage?
No. Don't bring that, oh. Was that the person that went to their war zone house to go and bring them? Were we not here? They came and met us.
Are they not your brother's children?
You still have the chance to send them away. You still have the chance. Because give me money, let me go and buy things and make soup. I am very hungry.
Give you what?
Money. Ego.
I'm not here to be feeding people. From now on, no more food. If you want to eat food in this house, you go out there and work, make money, and come back here and eat.
Bombastic boys. Don't they bump everywhere? No call them small boys. On the way, on your look out for Nanya. They carry extra power and tell. If you be man, you must collect. If you be woman,
What is this? I gave EJ money to buy bread for breakfast. Up till now, she's not back. And I'm ready to go out. Of course, I cannot go out without eating. I'll wait for her until she comes back.
You must collect You must collect Be bombastic boy. You must collect They are very small but mighty in action.
Fellow, good afternoon. Fellow, we don't greet now.
Who is your fellow elder? But can you be your fellow elder? Me? Umuakiri? Yeah, Umuakiri. What actually is your problem in this community? Why are you forcing me to respond to your greetings?
Fellow, because you give me, I give you. So who don't give you? I know one can give us.
Okay. Is it by force to answer your greetings? But by the way, Chekwa, where did you people get this bread, this big bread that is about the same size with you people that you're battling with?
Oh! This bread! So you don't jealous this bread! That make you know what take our greeting. This bread, if you don't go see him now, that one for sure. You don't go see him shop self. I go see this bread shop.
I am not jealous of your bread. I'm not even begging you. Okay. Please, I don't have power. I don't have time. I'm going to make it to face you people. Please. So that I don't get into problem. I don't get stuck at a point today again. Achorom. Biko. For God's sake. Can you people please go? I beg, make una dey go. Nabali.
Because for this shop, I beg or I beg. And I ain't gonna make us go. Yes.
Into what?
Look with the book.
Hey. Oh.
You're still at home. What happened?
Why won't I be at home? When you decided to keep me here waiting for you.
Me keep you here waiting for me? How? I don't understand.
Where is the bread I asked you to buy for me for breakfast? Where is it?
I kept the bread on top of the table inside the room. You didn't see the bread? Jerry, good, wait, I'm coming. Where did I bought myself? Look at me. The bread is not there. I did not see the bread.
I didn't see it either.
Where are those boys? Where are those boys?
Darling.
Oh, no.
Well done.
Welcome.
Yes, sir. How are you? Ukanna, why is the first like someone denied of festival food? Who would you know?
Ukanna, my husband is not happy.
What happened?
The bread I bought for him for breakfast suddenly developed wings and flew away from our house to God knows where.
Bread developed wings and flew out?
Of course.
What size was the bread?
Very big loaf now, special bread.
A big loaf? Wait. I think I saw the bread on my way coming to this place.
Did you say?
I saw the bread. I saw those two small men that entered this village with a mighty loaf of bread as I was coming to this place.
What?
That must be the bread you bought for me for breakfast that they're eating.
No problem. It is well.
Oh, wait, did they visit your house?
Those two boys live with me in this house.
No. Are you saying those boys are from this family?
They are my wife's brother's children.
Hey.
Why are you this surprised to hear that they are living here with us?
No problem. That is no problem. I just remembered how the boys dared to Talagwa and I the other day we met them on the road. They dared to Talagwa and I. They pinned us at the spot and walked away. The other day we met them. Yes.
Hey!
Your own is even very small.
What do you think
my own? They annoyed me. I wanted to beat them, and as I raised my hand held up there.
It's my brother's children. It's my brother's children. Are they not children that came to us? So
they're not my children.
Wait, take it easy. Now, let me just ask. Don't be angry, can you? Can you even buy for a do them? That is what is the boys' mission here in this village? Why are they here?
Excellent.
Uborigo!
Hey!
Hey! My man's there! My man's there! Niggas!
How far now?
Child, I don't reach out. I said, look, I put some get close in order. Relax.
What do you have now?
Nah, you can't talk like that now. You don't say you get where we meet ourselves.
See, my problem with you be say you dey always wash clothes. Anytime we come, you dey always wash clothes.
You said it. Hey! See, I will pack the whole of my clothes and bring to you. You will finish them. Let me finish wearing this one. I will bring it to you.
No respect.
After all, now washerman, now you be now.
As dry cleaner.
Washerman.
I beg you.
Washer.
See, we use this thing, keep ourselves busy. They wait for water.
Not be like
to wash finish.
Okay, don't you see?
Maybe so.
Bros, God is God.
We don't come. Wait till them do our mama and our papa. We go show them. Yes, so. And before they go open their eye, we don't call two people. We wait till they don't feel soft. Exactly. And what do we do them? He go pass like that. They yell, go pass like that. And they go pay for waiting make them to our mama bonus like this. Yes.
They humiliated my father on the road. Those boys teach my palace sense.
Na lie.
They get what they do for brain. And they say they beat my papa for road. They tell me it's not lie. My papa go to lie for me.
Uche, God is God. See, I know they talk say your papa they lie. Don't be waiting on me. But why I talk and be say? I don't believe him at all. I don't believe him now. Why I say na lie? Uche, waiting at the talk be say, who be those boys? Who be those boys who go see Mazalagwa for this village? Insult Mazalagwa, insult an elder. Hey, no.
Yes, this is the reason why I called you people here. I called Namo do meeting so we can treat these boys fuck up before they will turn to something else in this village.
Wait. These boys where everybody they talk about. Who be those boys? Because me, I never see them for this village. I never see them.
It be like say they see them one small things like that. We not even reach waiting. Be say I go just take chew.
pin my teeth, come on meat. I'm not sure saying from this village now they come from. Now outside Akabo village.
It's a small
Small
things. Small boys. If you see them, if they come from outside Akabo village, now I go give them morale to the insult Akabo elders. Waiting them a mind to teach those boys serious lesson.
Uche, no be just small lesson. We go teach them lesson. You see those boys? We go teach them lesson.
So okay, fine. So I just want us to like join heads together. What are we going to do? What is the level?
They must collect water porously. Now me talk am.
My kinsmen, I have never seen where the goat tooth decay for the excrement eaten by the dog. My only crime in this matter is that unfortunately I am the father of these boys. What I know is that when a child commits a crime, the father is notified. Perhaps in helping to bring the erring child to order.
Exactly. I mean, not to punish the such father for bearing the erring child. It was even good they ran away. To save us from the atrocities they have been committing against us. And also to save them from the wrath of the people that usually come against them. You see?
Yeah, that is why I said we have to be careful with this matter. So we don't throw away the baby with the bathwater. Yeah? Our brother here today has strongly said he does not know where the children are. It is wrong for us to punish him for an offense he did not commit. So, in fact, it is even better we join him and look for those children. When we find them, we'll bring them to book for the crimes they have committed.
Exactly what I've been telling our people. But they refuse to listen to me. I don't know if they were planning a coup against Mazude. Huh?
That's
It's all right. We are with you, my brother. We are with you.
Nine. Rico, where did you say you are going?
I told you I'm going to search for those two misfortunes. I will look for them and bring them down. Those two misfortunes you gave to me as sons.
Nine. But where on earth do you think that you are going to see those bad lucks?
I will search for them everywhere. Even if it took me to cross the river, I wouldn't mind. I will cross the river, I will look for them, and I will see them, and I will bring them.
My husband, if you can allow me to suggest, just suggestion, no. What do
you want to suggest?
Thank you.
Thank you for what? I've not told you to suggest.
Okay. Let me swallow my suggest. Let me swallow it. But it will have helped you.
Where are you going?
Inside the house now.
Say your suggestion. Be brief. Make it. Let me hear you.
Have you permitted me to suggest?
Go now. Say it. Let me hear.
Thank you. What I want to suggest is chai.
What is chai?
I have forgotten what I want to suggest, but I will remember it.
If I had not allowed you to make your suggestion, you would have said that this man is autocratic. Now I gave you the opportunity and all you could say is, chai, I forgot it. Mad.
I've remembered what I want to suggest. Come quickly before I forget it.
Oh, yeah, say it now. See.
See what I want to suggest. I want to tell you to give me some money so that I'll use it and buy things to cook soup. Because if I work out for this house, hungry if you kill me here, and I won't take it too.
So your plan is to chase me away from my house?
Hey you, Mbakwa. Not at all. Hey, it's only suggestion, no.
Mad. You are a case study.
What suggestion? Suggestion. Make I die for hungry now.
Mazendoka.
Alagwa.
Mazendoka.
Alagwa.
This one you are smiling like a new madman. What is it?
Alagwa, I found out that secret.
Which secret?
Achoptagonya.
Which secret? What secret? Which one?
I have finally discovered where those urchins stay in this village. And
that is a secret. Just that. I thought you discovered where you can mine gold at the back of your house. Oh, that is a secret.
Bye-bye. No. Bye-bye. That is not important. Odohomba. I have seen you don't even want to hear where they are staying. Bye-bye.
Come now. Mongo back. Come back here. Come. You too the vex, so that's my problem with you. You take too quick vex.
You must hear them back. Listen. I told you. I have discovered where they are staying. And it is for us to think about what...
Oh, you think that is a secret? Who doesn't know that the Oceans, as you rightly said, stay with Mazico and Ijema? I will know now. It's a stale news.
Yeah. Alawa, you are bad behind. So you already knew.
If not, why not? See, let me tell you, Ndoka, what we should be bothering ourselves right now as I speak is what to do to those boys. How to get back at them. That
is it. And in that case, today, by evening, I will be in your house. Or latest tomorrow morning, I'll be in your house so we can sit and plan. Yes.
Okay.
I will come to your house.
I'll be waiting. I'll be a chairman. I'll rather have you.
Yes. One more thing.
Yeah. What is it again? Have you discovered another secret? You are full of surprises.
Take it easy. Listen to me. I have one more thing for you. Yeah.
What is it? Bam! We have to execute immediately. This is the second time you're being reasonable in your life.
And your own is the very first time.
We have to execute it immediately.
The very first time you're
I get me Ozubo.
Call him, buddy. I'll see you in the evening or tomorrow morning.
Hey. After flogging you thoroughly, you will never do evil in your life again.
Why are you wasting time? Flog them now. Give them the flogging of their lives.
As if you know what I want to do.
Flog them.
I'll flog them very well.
Uncle, don't flog us, sir.
Who are you to tell me whether to flog you or not?
Uncle, now talk to my brother, Toko. Not flog us, sir.
Shut up. What nonsense are you people talking about?
Uncle, because the last person when flog was entered grave before 7 days. Yes, sir.
You are just bragging.
Uncle, now truth now my brother Toko.
Please shut up. I say you are just bragging. I will flog you and nothing will happen.
Flog these children. How can these two musketeers collect luxurious bread that I bought for us to enjoy? Ate everything. Did not even remain one piece for us to taste.
Oh, see, we go wear our elder caps. So I'm gonna say your fellow elders in the flog. Yes.
Will you shut up your mouth? What makes you think you are elders? What makes you think you are elders?
What is it?
Ije.
What? Give me. Is it not done now? My hand.
Huh?
My hand.
Go style, go.
I don't know. I can't move it.
If I know I give us food, I will carry our 2 legs. Enter kitchen go carry them. Yes, sir. Yeah, make an house there. Make an no move. Hey, no work.
Yeah. So I can't.
I can't even move.
Hey. You can move.
I will not rest. Alagwa, I will not rest until I pay those urchins in their own coins. Yes.
Nah, Ochakwamba. Imagine how the 2 urchins, like you said, dealt with elders like us. Elders like us. Can you imagine the kind of punishment given to us for something that we did not do? Anyway, I've told my son about this humiliation. Yes, Uchenna, I've told him about the humiliation.
Those boys are in trouble, and they will be in a more serious trouble through your son, because the youth are already out for them. The youth are after them. Yes. Anyway, don't talk too much. Let us get to Kanna's house first. We'll ask him to bring them out. Obuta, ask him to bring them out.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
He will bring him out, Abby?
He will bring them out. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go and see him and feed them too.
No call them small boys on their way. On your look out for Nanya. They carry extra power, enter. If you be man, you must collect them.
If it is sweet, it's sweet very well. Tell me small.
So shut up. See, you 2 of you are trying me. Oh. Eh? Release us now before my anger turns to annoyance. Did you hear me?
Sit down. See how they're chopping the food I cooked. If you see how I prepared this food with so much ingredients and meat. See the way they're turning the meat. See. Oh, child.
Anatu, they tell us thank you for after the help and the eating of food.
Come down.
Uncle Volunteer, you play say you don't come for that place where you sit down. I think,
Sorry, sir. No mistake.
Slip of tongue.
Yes.
Oh.
And we don't come. You look at our.
Welcome.
Why is EJ looking like what's your son? What happened?
I tell Uncle, thank you, Makosa. Look at
Okanna, we are here to see you.
I hope all is well.
No, all is not well at all.
What could it be?
Why are both of you like this?
Is it not those children, those little men? They got me, my husband and I stuck to this place while they ate the food I suffered to make, even the meat.
Yeah. Exactly what they did to Alagwa and myself. Exactly. The day we met them on the road. But, yeah, Okanna, where did you say you brought these boys from?
How? I didn't bring them all. They came on their own without any invitation.
Yeah.
They are my brother's children. They came, according to them, that their father is dead. It means as if I brought them.
Ndoka, why don't you tell Maziokan and Ija. Yes, our plans towards those boys.
Yes, exactly.
Tell them, those midgets.
Exactly. Well, we are here to let you know officially that Alagwa and myself are prepared. In fact, we are going to deal with those boys.
Yes.
For the way they humiliated us the other day was something else. And we will not take it. Yes.
Total humiliation.
Are you serious?
Makachi.
Oh, Makano.
No, Maka.
Deal with them.
Okay.
Yes. If not for anything, for the way they eat the food I cooked in this house and eating the meat I cooked with my hard-earned money and time without my permission. Deal with them.
In that case, what you people are saying now that we have your permission to do whatever we want to do to this boy.
They have said yes.
No, you can do whatever you like as long as you don't tell them that we gave our consent.
Obori. Ndoka. One kai wa pios.
It's okay.
Uncle and madam, good afternoon.
What is so good about this afternoon?
Food.
What do you want?
We can shop.
Chop what? Did you bring any food to my place? You can't chop.
Uncle and madam, make us first. Or your man not gonna give us food.
What a nonsense. What a nonsense. How dare you come to my house without invitation and be ordering us to give you food? Are you mad?
Na me be Bomba and na me be Bobby.
So?
Madam, we no come begging for food though. We no come begging for food. Make una go give us food. Now, look, if you not give us, only us go carry our children enter here.
Ha! Enter where? Look at this Amophobia mosquitoes. Enter where? Hi! Imagine the audacity. If what?
Imagine what?
If place no dey fear us. Hi! Fire freeze!
Ude, I'm very, very tired. Huh? Look at this morning we have been walking around the village looking for those boys. And nobody seems to know their whereabouts. Huh? I'm very, very hungry here. I want to go. Abi. Esema Abi? Mo Abi? Are you asking me Abi? No. By the way, why are you even looking for those boys? No, tell me. Are you trying to tell me now that they are not happy that they are not with you presently?
I thank you have been with me. You have tried for me. I thank you for that. I'm doing what I'm doing because of what people will say. If I don't look for these people will say I am happy that my children are not with me, sir. You know how people can talk.
Let them talk now. Let them talk. Anybody that want to see them should go around and look for them. You are listening to what people will say. Why are you suffering yourself? You are looking for them. In fact, I'm tired. I'm going.
Now.
Because but again, but how they gonna? Sure.
You are going to pay for all that you have been doing in this village.
See, Aga, no make us vessel. Because if you make us vessel, you go collect what for here. I don't tell you. If I step there, look on a tree. Stop it. I'm going to go outside for what? Oh yeah. Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, Lord. Where you came from? Heaven above. Oh yeah. Clap.
My wife.
This one, you're seated here all alone. Looking so distant as if you lost something. What is it?
My wife, I think we've lost it. We don't even have any authority in this house again. Since these boys came to our house uninvited, we don't have any freedom at all.
My own problem is, why did they choose us? Why did they choose to stay with us? Why didn't they look for their parents' relations? Probably somewhere else and go visit them. Why did they choose to come and live with us in this house?
The point is that don't they have any other relation? Are you their only relation? Don't they have other people that they will go to? Very soon, people will start complaining of missing one thing or the other.
As it is now, according to them, we can't send them away. According to them, their both parents are dead. And
so you are the only relation they have?
What would you have me do? These children, as you're looking at them, they are not ready to leave us anytime soon.
This thing is keeping me very, very uncomfortable. As a matter of fact, I feel like crying.
Oh, that won't be a bad idea. As you're looking at me now, my own tears are almost like in my mouth. As I'm opening my mouth now, the tears will flow in.
I think I will tell you. I think I will start.
Max. Yes, I did. Come,
Okay, thank you for the food. Now, finally, we don't see where we the shop. Yes, sir. Now, anytime we want shop, now you will come. Number one, make a look come for you. Until we go, make a look come for you. I said, come, go. You are the tires.
These boys, I will deal with them.
Papa, please come and relax. They've gone. When they were here, you did not bring out your machete. Hey!
My husband, stop crying before you will fall sick. Sorry.
I'm just helping you to cry. You know, men don't cry.
You're just helping me to cry. Thank you. Let me go and find something to eat. I cannot be crying on an empty stomach since morning. So let me go. Shift on
Uncle and Auntie, good afternoon.
What is good about the afternoon with this chicken you brought home?
Now this fowl.
Which fowl? What did the fowl do? How did you get this fowl?
Now person dash us.
Person dash you?
With ingredients. In dash us with better ingredients. Today we go chop die.
Fukwemo, these children have started stealing fowl from people's farm. Why would you take somebody's chicken?
We buy the fowl from one bush. The woman come dash us ingredients.
You bought it from one bush?
Yes.
Is the bush a market?
One small bush like, one small farm. One small store.
Very soon people will start coming here to lay claim to things.
I told you before.
You won't cook the fowl or you not cook the fowl?
I will not cook stolen fowl.
If I don't cook them, oh yeah, you go find basket so I go pick up the fowl. Yeah? So that anytime when that rice finish, we go pick up the fowl shop. You can fit inside.
Where did you get this one?
Now from that woman shop
Down the bumble everywhere. No call them small boys. On the way, on your look out for now.
Hey!
They carry extra power enter.
Nah.
Alagwa.
Where are you rushing with this cutlass in your hand?
Arumelo. Alagwa, do you know those evil boys that have besieged this village with evils in their hands?
You mean those boys living at Okana's house?
Yes.
What happened?
They entered my house and finished all the food in my house. Why they made us to be clapping for them.
Is that why you are chasing them with this cutlass? Why didn't you cut them in the house when they were available?
Huh? Alagwa, you don't understand. These boys got us transfixed.
Huh?
They got us transfixed in our places and made us to be clapping for them while they ate our food.
Hi.
It was when they left that we recovered. Our hands and our legs started moving again. Then I now dashed into my room to collect this cutlass to go after them.
Do you know that both of us are hunting the same bushmeat inside the same bush?
Aye.
Eh? These idiots, these shrimps, had the guts to come to my farm, to my house, and collected my agric fowl. They stole my agric fowl.
You mean it?
I'm telling you, somebody from outside told me that they saw those boys with my fowl. And that is why I'm rushing even to that place now.
What are we waiting for?
To make sure that they do not eat the fowl.
What are we waiting for?
Let us go. Okay, yeah, let us go now.
Mama, what kind of trouble is this one now? Eh? What kind of trouble is this?
My daughter, they said that the death that will kill a man will come from nowhere.
Mama, Papa for no follow those boys so. Those boys are dangerous. You see those two things? Huh? Those boys are so dangerous.
Please don't let those boys harm my husband.
Amen.
Hi.
Hi. Mama, Mama is this one. Hey, Papa. Papa, come back now.
See. Can you see how those boys left us with an empty pot? Eh? What do I do now? How do I tell my husband to give me another money for another food? Eh? Oh God.
God, where did these boys come out to torment us like this? Where did they come from, Mama? These two evil boys.
I don't know. All I heard is that they are living with Okan and his wife Ijemma. You just see now. Empty pot. Hey! What do I do now? Where do I get money? Can you get me one?
Mama, please, it's okay. Don't cry. You see those two boys, whatever they sow today, that they will reap. I mean, look at someone be this wicked. Look at.
See. Nothing.
Okanna.
Alagwa and Energy. What is the problem? Why are you shouting like that? Why are you bellowing my name like that?
Where are those little boys you kept in your house?
What have they done again this time?
These boys came to my house and stole my fowl. Tell those urchins to return my fowl before I do something you will not like.
Fowl. Open that basket and see whether the fowl there is your own.
They came to my house.
Hey! Atami Umbe. This is my fowl. Okay, bye-bye. Don't worry. I've collected my fowl. Hey!
And you, why do you want to kill them?
They entered my wife's kitchen, pinned us with their magical powers, took away all the food, pinned myself, my wife, and our daughter. They made us to clap for them while they were eating the food.
Yeah. What kind of wahala is this one again? No, but 1 week, one trouble. That was 1 day, one trouble.
Bring them out. I will teach them the lesson of their lives.
Bomba! Bomb! Fighter! Come and defend yourself, so.
Make sleep kill you there. Where is my food?
Your food? Let me give us food and then your top,
Okanna, tell these boys I am not joking. I am a titled man. And I am not joking. I am serious. What is happening?
So, you won't call cutlass with cutlass, See, you go pay before you go come on here. You go pay before you go come on here.
Pay what? What is holding my legs? I can't move my legs. You better release my leg. Otherwise, the elders of this community will hear it.
Pay before service.
Hey, wow.
Yeah, before power here.
Then I don't take her.
You go pay. You go pay now. You go pay. You go pay today. You go pay. You go pay 10,000.
Huh? 10,000 for just fowl?
Yes, ma'am. And for our fowl is special. Yes. Special fowl. Special fowl, ma'am.
Hey.
Who wants to get 10,000?
Ali, hey, is this fowl for sale?
What kind of question is that? Do I now sell fowl? Huh?
If it is not for sale, what then are you doing with
I am just coming from a rescue mission. I'm just coming from Wazico's place. I went there to rescue my fowl, those midgets, those paws, those kids that are summarized. They stole from me. Rescue mission. This is my fowl.
Hold on. Has it gotten to that level?
Oh, it can argue.
No, hold on. Have they started stealing fowls?
Hey. Look, listen to me. The sooner we plan how to take these boys out of this community, the better for all of us. Very soon, our food pots will begin to disappear from the fireplaces. Are you aware that Mazen Naji's house, these boys went there and took the food that the wife prepared for him?
Hey! Bad omen. This is a very bad sign for this community. This community is in a real bad situation. But we have to come together immediately and decide on how to go about finding a solution to this problem.
The sooner, the better.
Hi.
The earlier, the better. The earlier, the better.
Take it easy.
I'm not taking anything easy. Thank God I have rescued my fowl.
Did you say you're not selling the fowl?
You are a madman.
You're a crazy human being. I can pay you, I can give you the money and collect. If the boys have stolen it from you.
The price you gave, the 10,000 naira, is too much for me to pay after eating my food.
That one, now the last price. Uncle Seth go pay 10,000 naira. You go pay or you not go pay?
I will pay, but reduce the price. What will you two small boys be doing with 10,000 naira?
So as you see this cap, where you know say will be elders,
Reduce the money to 5,000 naira, please. That is what I have.
Okay, where the money there?
The money is in my pocket.
No call them small boys on the way. On your look out for Nanya. They carry extra power enter. If you be man, you must collect them. You be woman. Run for your life. You must collect them. They know different. You must collect them. What be the fanjo? You must collect them. What be you must collect them. The bombastic boy. You must collect them.
Marcelo, we greet
Uncle,
you.
good afternoon.
So where are you people rushing to?
Please, so Nayalagwa, did you by any means see my husband on your way?
I did not see him on my way. I met him at Mazi Okana's place where he went to kill those bad boys.
Hey, Uncle, please, did my father kill them before you left?
You should have asked if your father is still alive. You have to rush to that place right now before those boys will kill him.
Chimo.
They are evil, complete evil. Do you know that those boys stole my fowl?
Stole what?
Yes, this is my fowl. They stole my fowl. I just went there to retrieve my fowl. I have to go for redemption. I'm going home.
Let's go. Before they kill you. Hey!
You're back.
Yes, Papa.
How was market today?
I sold everything.
If you sold everything, it means that market was good.
Yes.
But why are you looking unhappy? Did anything happen at the market?
Yes, but not at the market. On my way back from the market,
What happened?
I saw Mazi Alagwa with a fowl. And when I asked him if he was selling it, he said no, that he went to retrieve it from those boys, Bomba and his brother Fighter.
Meaning that they stole it from Alagba's house.
Exactly.
So, these boys are now thieves. They now steal fowls.
That's what he said though, that they stole it from him. My fear is now that, what if one day they now start collecting people's money from them?
That is not your portion.
Amen.
God will not allow them to do that kind of evil to
Amen.
you.
Amen.
It's not your portion.
Amen.
Amen,
Papa.
Ngwa, go inside. I prepared some food for you.
Papa.
Go and eat. Go.
Thank you.
My daughter.
God bless you.
Go and eat.
Since you knew I was hungry.
Yes.
Thank
please.
you.
Go and eat. Adam. Oh.
Uche! Uche, did you see it? You see? It was those boys that stole my fowl from here. Chai! Those midgets!
Papa, where are these boys from? Huh? And how are they related to Mazi Ukana and his wife?
I was told that it is sons of Mazi Ukana's sister. Yes, that was what the information they gave me.
And why are they here? And why are they causing a whole lot of nuisance in this village?
Ask me, oh. I do not know. I was even told that those boys walked into that place by themselves. It was not even Mazi Ukana's wife that invited them. They on their own, they came. And now, as I speak with you, they are constituting nuisance everywhere. Charlatans!
Papa, what are you and the elders talking about this matter? Because it's getting out of hand.
Actually, the elders have not said anything about this matter. But I know, soon and very soon, their matter must come to the elders' table because it is getting on my nerves.
Papa, you guys need to do something immediately. You have to act fast.
Hey!
Before something you call nothing will put sand into your eyes. Papa, as it is now, I'm prepared. I'm going to meet my friends. We're having something, a plan that we are trying to do.
Yeah, come here. Uchenna. Listen and listen real good. Remember, I don't joke with you. Those boys, those midgets that you see, they are dangerous. They are total. Uche! Uchenna!
Uncle, you got pure.
But 10,000 naira is too much for the fowl. It is about 2,000 naira in the market.
What, Uncle? Go market, go buy it for us, they can't give us.
For chicken we did not eat nor carry. How can we pay for it? If my husband is going to pay for that chicken, then we are going to do checks and balances.
Meaning?
Meaning, we will calculate all the food you have been eating since you came into this house. You pay us.
But don't forget the house rent and the accommodation we gave to them since they came.
That also is inclusive. The rent.
But Uncle and Auntie, we're not supposed to pay for that food we don't shop for this
We
house.
are not supposed to pay for the chicken we did not eat nor carry.
At all.
So Uncle, on what sure sense?
It is called wisdom. If I'm going to pay for the fowl I did not carry and did not eat, you're going to pay for the food you and accommodation you have been staying in this house since you came here.
Hey!
Papa, what is it? Are you okay? Did those boys beat you?
My husband. What is it? Why are you crying?
Am I crying?
Now, did they beat you up?
Had it been they beat me, it would have been better for me. Do you know that after eating our food, these boys made me to pay 5,000 naira simply because I came to Kana's house with a cutlass.
Hey!
How?
Hey! I said it. These boys are evil, oh. Mama, I said it. Didn't I say it? Ah!
Had it been I knew, I wouldn't have gone there.
Hey! Chineke. They ate our food and now made you to pay for going to ask why. My husband, let us go and see how we will get back to those boys. Let's go.
But how?
I got my car. Let's
How?
go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm sorry. Hi, boy.
Now, because of us, the place turned upside down. Now that customer, now them tweeting our mama and our papa upon us like this. Us waiting Pale talk. We don't come for revenge. Pale talk say.
So, let me tell you the story, mommy. Before you were born, are you hearing me very well? When my wife was pregnant for you, are you hearing me very well? Good. My father, your grandfather, was falsely accused by Akabo people. They planned it with a strong native doctor, strong Dibia at Akabo. As of that time, there was a strong Dibia. So they planned with him and they now threatened to kill my father. Yes, our people tried everything possible to protect my father from them. But these Akabo people just planned it very well and kidnapped my father. They kidnapped him, and they said before my father will be released, for an offense he never committed, mind you, they said before my father will be released, he must swear with the unborn babies in his wife, in my wife, that is, remember my wife was pregnant, so they said my father must swear with the unborn babies, which were you, two of you now. So my father took the oath. He swore, and it was like a kind of a sacrifice to a great deity at Akabo. So both of you were dedicated, right when you were in the womb. Both of you were dedicated to the great deity, and that was why when you were born deformed.
All of them could pay. Yes, all of them must pay. See, all of them, we will be all of them too. Now small, we could show them pay. See, make a day say, no friend for jungle. No friend for jungle. No friend. See, they could see water from BOMBASTIC boys. Yes, sir.
Uche, everything I hear.
Uche,
I hear say this boy is bad. Like, the boy is bad.
All these things I know they like. You don't they add fear join them now. You hear say these boys them bad. You no go wait to make we reach the place where they go. Make we check if them bad or not. Eh?
Uche, this one no be matter of fear. See, I don't hear plenty gist. I don't hear plenty gist about these boys. Okay, make I shock you. I even hear say they make person stand like 3.
No, they go pin you, make you dey like coconut tree. Cause we never see anything, no. They say seeing is believing. Now when we see with about 2 eyes, we go believe. No, they put fear for my body like this, so make we dey agile for small children.
See, not be everything be seen is belief. They try to dey play safe. You know they hear. Okay, I dey your back. Try to dey play safe, Uche.
Bye. Bye.
Who is at home?
Yeah. You sure say somebody is
Knock again.
Bye. Small boys. How na dey?
Hey, point of correction. Now we the customer boys.
Hey, see this one so. If na not be small boys, what will not be?
Now to see us like this, now for your eye will be small boys. Eh?
You think say as you wear this Abriba cap, you don't change from small boys to adult men? Huh?
He don't do. Now what I want?
Bam. We came to see the both of you.
Yes.
What I want to do for now?
Now, see, I came to warn the both of you. I heard that people stole my father's fowl. If that thing repeat itself again, you use my head to know the both of you now. Nta, movement, let us go.
I don't feel no people say these boys don't carry that juju hold us. You see, I've been telling you no come this movement, you no agree. Now what you go do?
God. So no, na carry na 2 leg. We can't come in our house, come and warn us.
That did not be so now. Na only escort I call escorter. Him no tell me say na to come warn on her. You understand? I beg.
Come on, shut up your mouth.
Release me, make I go.
Shut up your mouth here. Before una two go come here, una go pay money.
True.
What did you show you? Eh?
See, come, let me tell the both of you. Let me tell you, you don't know who I am. If you know who I am, you will release me now. Release me now.
Stupid boy. Foolish. Before una go come for you, una go pay 5,000.
Now what you go do now?
That my leg is paining me, yeah.
Try be your leg they pay you. I tell you
that my leg is
situation
that is leg is paining me. That my leg is paining me, yeah.
See, if we fail to lick our lips, honestly, the Hamatan wind will do that for us.
Wow. And if we fail to search for a black goat during the day, it will be very difficult to get one at the thickness of the night. Very, very difficult. See, I want to stand to what we have agreed on. Honestly, because if we don't, these shrimps will chase us out of this Akabo village. Have I met my point clear?
Malagwa, you made your point. You spoke like an elder. I agree with you completely. We will not be here and allow strangers come into our place and drive us away from our ancestral land. See, whatever is going to cost us, we will drive those boys away from this community.
Bam. That is true. True talk it is. But wait, fellow elders, why is it that we are not taking it serious? I mean, this matter, because we have already reported it to the police, and we have not been following up. Kamada yakwataza mamaki ihe ogonogo. Uguzi agwo chiri anaka. Ke kwaziri akpa. You don't make a sack for long items and all that, and then you kill a snake, you're having it in your bare hands. Why not drop into the bag? Police is always our friend. We have the police there to help us. Let us completely hand this matter over to the police.
Police
is our friend.
Police
Yes.
You are talking as if you have forgotten the ways of the police. You see, is it not because of the way police handle matters that when you take a matter to them, come today, come tomorrow, is what you will be seeing. We have taken matter to them, and what we see is come today, come tomorrow. That is not the reason why we have resolved to use African insurance as an alternative instead of relying on police.
You are correct. Before we completely hand over this matter to the police, we will not fold our arms and wait for these riffraffs to chase us out of this insult. Can you hear the hand?
It's becoming too unbearable.
Hey!
Sit there! All of them are here! Because of us, all of them are to meeting. Eh? Sit there, all of them are guessing. I will come and go.
What is it? Hey!
Nudge. These boys have become something else.
So they came with guns to come and kill us.
And that's what I have seen. That's what I have seen.
Where did Okana bring these boys from?
I learned they are the sisters' sons.
Yeah.
And what baffles me is why did they come to this village to cause trouble?
Naj, do you know that I don't know how to go back to my house now?
By how?
Do you have anything that I can use to disguise myself?
Something like what?
Something like maybe your wife's used clothes or scarf or anything.
Come on. Anyway, let's go inside and I'll find something for you.
My husband, you have not answered my question. Did they see you in that meeting?
Can I know whether they did? The next thing I saw was that they came in and started shooting and everybody took to his heels.
Was anybody killed?
Can I know whether anybody was killed? What I told you is that as soon as they started, everybody, that was the day I knew that I could run.
My husband, I don't think it was Bomba and his brother that was in your meeting.
How did you come to that conclusion?
I knew these boys very well. I've never seen them with gun or something dangerous like a gun.
I have never too. You may be right.
Oh. Ha.
Hey, Okoye, stop. Why are you running?
What was that?
Why were you running after all? Eh?
I thought you saw the killers again.
Ah! I was just calling you to tell you that the way you are walking, you need to change your walking style to suit the status of a woman.
Naji. Ogula?
Ogula?
Is that all?
Oh, yeah,
so I should walk like Tolo Tolo now?
Like this. Like woman. Like woman. Eh? Ah, easy. Hi! You should be thankful to God that my wife and my daughter are not here. If we ain't working here, not quite.
Are you back?
Uncle,
Where did you go to today?
Uncle, Auntie, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
You are just coming back. Where did you go to?
So, Uncle, before I go to a meeting now.
Which meeting?
So, Uncle, you know us.
Which meeting? I didn't go to any meeting today.
Hey! All liars, they will not enter in fire. Uncle, talk truth. Men, devil shame. Uncle, you say you don't go meeting today?
No.
Truth oh.
God. I swear. I didn't go to any meeting today.
As you don't say you don't go meeting today. Uncle, where the fuck were you was?
Remember that we had an agreement. You are going to pay for all the food you have been eating in this house. You will pay for the rent. After, we will counterbalance and know who is owing who. Nne, go and bring that paper. Use them.
Okay, sir.
Uncle, my son I want to
How you want me to do it? Let I bring the balance. Let I bring the paper first. Wait, let I bring. See. What are you peeping at?
Looking at this paper, from all indication, you are owing us 30,000 naira.
Hey!
What is it?
Oh, the money too big now.
Okay, wait. You know how we are going to do it? You are going to pay it small. And after paying it small, we now come and calculate the new ones you have accumulated in rent and feeding.
No be you say, make we pay for the chicken, for the fowl, where we no chop, where the owner come carry from here. Say we should pay. One now. Do me, I do you.
So, Uncle, now son I want to do this thing.
How else do you want us to do it?
Since it's not son I want to yeah, you could go inside.
These are the people that wanted to kill us in the meeting. Look at them shouting, hey now.
So, they now have guns.
Hey! There's trouble.
Hey! Sister. How can I see you? Alagwa? How can I see you? Alagwa? Alagwa? Huh? Alagwa? Now God save us, so. Now God save us from those bandits.
I hope. We are very bloody lucky that these people did not kill us. I hope they didn't kill anybody. I hope they didn't kill anybody.
Have you seen it? That is more reason we must make sure we get those boys out of Akabo Kingdom.
It's right, Mokem.
Yes.
You are very, very right. Atakwamba. Chekwa, hold on. Is this not Okorie? Okorie!
Alagwa and Ndoka.
Hey!
So, you did not recognize me?
At all. Ibanda. Hey! What is the problem, Okori? What is happening? Why have you chosen to disguise yourself, to dress like a woman?
Look, they say a man that is surrounded by enemies watches over his life diligently. And since men have learned to shoot without aiming, I, Eneken Tioba, I have learned to fly without perching. See, I borrowed this attire from Naj to protect myself from those bandits. And since you did not recognize me very, very well, it means that this my disguise is working.
You see, these all change. They have turned this community to a terror. For him to change.
Hey.
What is our face? Our community's on fire. Everybody's crying out, People in sorrow has taken over.
Uncle, we are hungry.
Oh, Mr. Hungry. I think that's a very good name for you.
Uncle, no change our name. Oh. We see me bombastic boys. So where do we come here to come to? We come here to come shop. Yes.
Pay before service.
Auntie?
Yes, if you give me money now, I give you food. One. So we want them.
I support her. And you have not even paid for the one we are owing us.
So, Uncle, I think I saw on the just for this house.
Once you give me money, I'll give you food.
Oh, yeah, no.
What's the meaning of this?
So, Uncle, on a police for prison, so the moon could not shop on my bill?
Yes. Pay before service.
12 for now. Who was the kill?
I mean, hold on.
Yeah?
Pay before service. PBS.
Auntie, when I give us the key, Auntie, make us open this food before we go do something wrong for you. When I open this food now,
Hey, will you shut up your mouth? How can you come to my house and harass me? Who are you even?
Bombastic boys! Bombastic! Bobby, open the pot.
Food for them to eat. Can you collect this food from them? Are you leaving them to eat this food? Mary, thank you. I don't know what I would have done without you.
Please stop. I mean, you help me, I help you. What is there?
Doesn't that mean I should not thank you for helping me? Eh? But wait,
I heard that those boys went to shoot at Akabo elders.
My dear, my father told me about it.
Are you serious?
You mean those boys are armed robbers too?
Shh! Don't say it out loud. I heard that those boys are spirits too. See, the walls have ears, oh.
I don't make me laugh at them. Wait, who brought those boys to this village?
Me, I heard this Mazio Kana's relative. I think from his sister or something like that. Don't know, that's how I heard it.
So, Mazio Ghana brought them to torment us in this village? Huh?
Me, I cannot answer that one. No. If you ask me, who will I ask? Maybe when you see Mazio Kana, you ask him for yourself.
Abio,
yes, so
ask him.
I have food in the house. Do you care for? You said no before. Give me food. I beg, let's go and get food, Jare. Come, let's go.
Uche, my son.
I've been thinking about those boys that have been harassing us in this village. The way they are. I don't think anything we do to them physically can harm them. Those boys are very spiritual. And I think the only means we can subdue them is through spiritual means.
I have been thinking too lately. Yes. Don't worry, my son. I think I know what to do.
Are you calling the police on them?
Police? We've taken the matter to the police, but they kept telling us they're still running investigations on the matter.
They are running investigation on a matter they have not even visited. Matter where they never see.
Well, I think we must get an alternative way of handling this matter outside the police. While the police are still running their investigation.
You guys should do it quickly.
Oh, we can't tell, but
Look at, you be good people.
Okay, it's my wife. Where's my wife?
You're like, why is it I don't know? Hello, this one.
My fowl! My fowl! My fowl! My fowl! Okana! Oka! Hey! Umazi ebuomo! Okana, it is my meat that these children are eating. These shrimps are my meat and they eat you.
How come? What I saw them eating was fowl meat, not human meat.
That fowl meat belongs to my once alive agric fowl. Huh? What is the meaning of this now? Hi,
But they said it was your son that gave it to them because they are good boys.
Good guinea? Good boys?
That's what they said.
Which good boys? What are you even talking? Huh? What have they done to qualify their word of good boys? I was preparing this fowl for Christmas. I'm going to cook up Christmas. Oh my God.